Think about the thing that would make the biggest difference to your life if you went and did it right now, but you have massive procrastination resistance towards. We're going to learn how to tackle those big things right now, and you'll know how to do it for the rest of your life. Okay, so notice where you feel it in your body when you think about going to do that thing right now. Is it in your chest or stomach? And even though it's counterintuitive, just let those sensations float up to the surface. Don't push them down. Welcome them as an experiment. And don't think about them. Just focus on where they are in the body and feel them. Let them start to flow through you like a wave. Imagine like it was just stuck energy and you're just letting it start to flow through. Breathing with it instead of against it. And feel it start to break up and dissolve. Allow it to start to float up and through, to evaporate into the atmosphere and vanish, a big chunk of it. Feel yourself decompress and relax, and close your eyes if you feel safe, and just start to visualize yourself doing the first step of that activity clearly in your mind. And then notice, because it's a big thing, you maybe brought the resistance down from an 8 out of 10 down to a 5 out of 10. But with that remaining resistance, because we don't notice it as sensations in the body, excuses start to come up to block us from doing it. But if it's safe to go do that thing now, and you could do it without straining yourself too much, just notice how that resistance is part of the process of doing hard things, and lean in to what remains once you've brought it down to a manageable level. And decide to lean into those sensations and go do that thing. Go do that first step if you choose to right now. And if you do, come back and let us know that it worked. Encourage other people to practice this process and practice those 1-2 steps to conquer those big things on a regular basis.